If you're trying to make a snow-capped rocky wasteland, you've come to the right place. I'm the Confused Ogre, and today I'm going to show you in 10 easy steps how to make that happen. Grab a warm blanket and let's get started.
Let's paint.
Step number 1, prep the base. I'm using my prepared, weighted, and magnetized bases because I like them. They're awesome. And I have a video about the absurd amount of work that I put into them. Check it out if you'd like. Anyway, make sure you give your base a good sanding or filing so that stuff sticks. Step number 2, rocky outcroppings.
Over here by the outcropping, I think.
Smash up that cork. Don't worry about being neat. The uglier the pieces, the more natural it looks. Nature does not own a ruler. Feel free to get creative. Big pieces, small pieces, heck, just pile them up. Step number 3, sand. Dab some super glue in some random spots and sprinkle some playground sand all over the place. Just like seasoning a fine steak, except it's cork and plastic. Don't eat it. What's that guy's name? The salt and meat guy? Salt Bay? What's a bay?
Bay.
Step number 4, primer. Slap on a generous coat of primer. This helps lock everything in place and gives us a clean, sturdy surface to work with.
Let's use it.
This is very important because cork soaks up a lot of paint. Don't be greedy, get it on there. Step number 5, texture paint. I'm using Citadel's Astrogranite. It comes in a dark gray, so if you're not using this, you might need to do a coat of black primer with some dark gray dry brushing or a dark gray texture paint to achieve similar results. But anywho, smear that Astrogranite all over the base. It really helps tie everything together so it doesn't look like a kindergartner's diorama. Step number 6, dry brush. Once everything's dry, hit it with Ulthuan Gray. A light dry brush should do the trick. You should have a pretty realistic looking rock structure at this stage. Step number 7, wash. I want you to drown out those shadows with some Nuln Oil. Get it really into those cracks and crevices. This is going to help make those rocks look moody and broody. Okay, step number 8 is another round of dry brushing. We're getting close, guys. I'm going to use Wraithbone. This should get us to the end of making some really realistic looking rocks. Step number 9 is snow.
Snow.
Grab yourself some AK terrain snow, dab it all around. Put it on the edges of rocks and anywhere that you think snow should go. This is random, we're having fun, make it happen. And we've made it to the final step, number 10, edge the base. Give me a good clean edge with Abaddon Black. This is going to make it look neat, professional, and like you had a plan all along.
It's so edgy.
Boom, a snowy wasteland in 10 steps. Perfect for frosty heroes, ice goblins, or anyone dumb enough to go outside in the cold. Until next time, we'll see ya.